A very good morning to all students. Hope you all are fine at home. We are doing the chapter 8 of English grammar, that is pronouns. So we are left with the remaining part, so we will complete it today. So read these words. This book is mine. This desk is yours. Means this book, ये book मेरी है. And that desk is yours. ये आपका है. Those shoes are his. कि ये shoes उसके हैं. ठीक है. So these words, that is mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its, shows possession or tell us that something belongs to someone. ठीक है. that things belong, ये किसको possess करती हैं, किसकी हैं ये चीज़, किसको belong करती हैं, ये word से हमें पता चलता है. ठीक है. pronouns that show possession are called possessive pronouns. तो these are called possessive pronouns because they show the possession कि किसके पास ये चीज़ है. ठीक है. सो हम पहले के अकॉर्डिंग जैसे हमने टेबल रेडी किया था वैसे टेबल रेडी कर लेंगे. ओनली वी ऐड दिस कॉलम ऑफ possessive noun. If there is a first person and singular, we use mine, and for the second person we use yours, and for the third person, if male, he, him, his. Okay. She, her, hers. It, its. And for the plural one, we, us, ours. You, yours. They, them, theirs. Okay. So you have to remember it. Let's solve some exercise related to this. See the C part. Fill in the blanks with correct possessive pronouns. So we have to fill the correct possessive. In the bracket we have been given the pronouns, that is he, she, they, I. So you can simply write them. That for her is his, she का hers write करेंगे, they का theirs, I का mine, you yours, and our ours, I mine, she hers, you yours, he his. Okay, you can simply just look at the table and you can simply write it here. And the second thing is, this is an umbrella. Okay, this is an umbrella. That is a book. This is used for the near things and that is used for the far away things. Similarly, these are used for the plural things which are near to us, and those are used for the things which are far away from us but are in plural form. So this, that, these, those are also called as pronouns. ठीक है. दे हेल्प अस टू पॉइंट एट थिंग्स, टू पॉइंट आउट द थिंग्स, है ना. अगर हम किसी चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करना चाहते हैं कि वो यहाँ पड़ी है या वो मेरे पास है, सो टू पॉइंट आउट दैट थिंग्स वी यूज़ दीज pronouns. And the pronouns that are used to point out nouns are called demonstrative pronouns. These are called demonstrative pronouns. Fill in the blanks with suitable demonstrative pronoun. Okay, you have to this. Is dash your mother? ठीक है. वो पूछ रहा है क्या वो आपकी मदर है. सो वो आपसे पूछ रहा है ना, तो वो आपके पास है. सो उससे तो दूर है ना, बट वो क्या है, सिंगुलर है. सो इसके लिए हमने दैट यूज़ किया है. आर डैश योर बुक्स, क्या ये तुम्हारी बुक्स हैं. तो क्या ये तुम्हारी बुक्स हैं. सेकेंड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इट इज़ अ प्लूरल. ठीक है. सो इसमें दीज यूज़ होगा, दिस यूज़ होगा ही नहीं. नाउ इज डैश एन एरोप्लेन, अगेन इट इज़ अ singular. Aeroplane is singular, and these and those are used for the plural one, so that will be used. Dash is our new home, again this and these are given. It's a home, one home, so this we use. These dash are apple orchards of Kashmir. Now r is used here, and r is used for the plural words. Now we write here these. See the sixth one. See the sixth one, dash is an expensive book, and an expensive book is a singular, so that's why we have used here. So remember this, these and those are used for the plural, and this and that is used for the singular and plural. Okay. See the next page. Again you have to solve the rest of the exercise with in this way. If you find any problem, you can ask me at any time. Next, see the E part. Rewrite the sentence using the correct pronouns. Now you have to rewrite this using the correct pronouns, that is demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those, whatever in the sentences. See the first one. Dash is my younger sister. Now younger sister is one. It's a singular. So we write here this. His friends as were his friends. Now it is a plural word. That's why we use here those. Then our birds, again plural word, those. Is a good sari for mom. Now it's a single sari, so that. Our new pants, again it is a plural, so we use here these. Dash is an interesting film. It is a one singular that we use here is this. These were the trees the man was planning to cut. Were the trees. It's a plural, so these. Now the eighth one, that is not my bag. It's a singular, so we use here that. Dash were the best days of my life. No, were the best days. It's a plural word. Okay, he's remembering the days. So those. Dash are my friends at my school. New friends. Now friends. It's S. So again, it's a plural word. So we use here these. So remember, those and these are used in the plural form, and this and that is used for the singular nouns. Okay. So this was all about your chapter, that is pronouns. So complete it, and next we will do in the next lecture. Thank